Good day everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about the 10 uncommon used words, especially in Tagalog. So, let's start. First, we have agham, which in English translates into science. Second is bilnuran, and in English, arithmetic. Haynayan, and in English, biology. Kapnayan, in English, chemistry. Salipawpaw, airplane. And sulatroniko, or in English, email. Awanggan, which translates into infinity in English. Gaptol, in English, switch. Hatinig, in English, telephone. Kagaw, in English, germs. Thank you, and that is the type of 10 uncommonly used Filipino words. Thank you.